wala tong baon eh. They really have a natural grace. Kuya Dick.
Bakit? Sige, play lang.
Yung lines, kita-kita ko yung pagiging in a way, I think she's professional, no? Ang ganda ng pag-execute niya ng mga numbers, pati yung pagdadala rin niya kay I know,
Rian.
din sa movements ni
Hiya?
Feeling ko lang si Don, parang nahihiya yata siya. Parang pigil pa, kinokontrol pa yung sarili. Pero alam ko may ilalabas pa si Don. Maganda. Gusto ko, na-enjoy ako.
Miss Edna? Well, first of all, you look very good together, Dawn and Tay-Tay. I prefer to call you Crystal. Finally, you have found a partner in Dawn na bagay, height and looks and everything. The dance, Dawn, wow, you're so light on your feet, you're graceful, you can do anything. And I think we really want
Bakit? Sige, kunin mo na yun. Okay lang yung bebe ko. Big girl ka na, dahan-dahan lang.
You know, how you look at each other. So, that alone is like shutting us off. But it's okay. So, next time, try to bring out his personality.
Asan yung isa pa, mahal? Asan yung isa pa?
Kasi marami siyang tinatawag.
Andun. Kuha mo. Bilis, bebe ko. Kuha mo.
There's security in wearing shades. Diba? Pag nahihiya ka. Miss Red?
And I think he's just trying to be a perfect gentleman for his partner. Just like he is with his lovely wife, Maricar, diba? Nandito ba siya ngayon?
Is she here?
Where is she?
She's
not in the studio. Okay, well anyhow, congratulations. I thought you were Mr.
Thank
Suave
you.
before, but type ko naman yung shades para sa akin. At saka okay yung moves for your height. I was
Ay,
thinking you'd be a lot more
nahulog.
stiff, but you pulled it off well. So congrats.
Thank you.
Dawn, I think everybody agrees that you have natural grace. Were you just overcome by shyness?
Well, I just wore the sunglasses. It's bright in here. It's also part of my outfit, I guess.
Yes, the glasses look good, but you're...
Chelby, bilag, bilugan. Spider-Man, suntukan. Oh, ay, nahilo sa bilog-bilugan. Get mo, please, baby ko. Get mo yun. Get mo po yung Tupperware, baby ko.
More courage on your...
Very good naman yan. Give mo kay Changdalin, bilis. Give mo kay Changdalin para hugas ni Changdalin.
We will take you up.
Ay, ayaw give kay Changdalin. Bakit? Lalaro mo pa yan? Ay, nahulog. Siguro si Changdalin, wala nang baonan bukas. Ay, tsunan, ay. Ay, nadabog, nadabog lalo. Ay. Ay, nadabog. Ay. Lalo na nagdabog.
Kumusta nararamdaman niyo? Ako, kinabahan ako nung unang nagsayaw ako dahil bago pa lang nag-i-start talagang dug tingin nga. Wala. Meron. Ganun. Ikaw, ano? Nervous din dahil first time sumali sa dance contest na ganyan. Ano ba pagka kayo maglalaro? Siyempre, lalo na. Ang laki nung court. Dami nanonood.
Ba't mo pinaalis? Opo, wait lang, antay mo si nanay.
Kaya doon na mahaba, matagal taon. Lalo na yung kalaw mo.
Kamalikot dyan ka lang, it. Ay, wag. Wag maghiya.
Meron mga bumubo, may mga papalakpak. Siyempre, hanap buhay yun. Pangalawa, as a warrior, hindi mo kailangan intindihin yung mga fans na umali po sa yung paglalaro. Meron pa siyang mga as a warrior. Habang naniniksik-niksik itong mga higanting ito.
Irita. Oh, wag kang katalon. Wag. Baba. Dahan. Yes, baba. Irit. Tago, bilis. Irit da. Tago. Irit da. Sa punta.
Salamat sa pandagdag sa ulam. Salamat sa Champion Pinoy pa. May instant savings sa bawat pa.
Saan punta mo?
Thanks, Champion. Salamat po sa Champion.
Bebe ko.